Hello everybody, and welcome back to another one of my little tips and tricks that I'd like to share with you. So I'm standing in front of a machine very similar to this one. All four of them are the same. They are the EMT 16 Plus machines. So it has the black cylindrical arm and the S95 hook. And so I'm getting ready to change out, a motor that has finally reached its end. And the main circuit board right here is absolutely filthy. So I want to show you why you want to take off the little cover. So let me turn around and show you this. So the back of the machine has this cover here, and you're going to take that off, and then this will slide. You could slide this forward. I'll make sure to put a link down to how to do that. But you want to come into your board and clean all of this. So I'm going to get some canned air and I'm going to blow all this dust out, because if you can see, there's spots where a drop of oil's gotten down in here, and that lint and that oil will start to conduct electricity and can start to short out pieces of the board. So I will probably clean all four of these today to make sure that nothing like that happens for this client. So let's do that. And it's that easy. You just gotta come in and give it all, whoops, and that's fine. Get it all nice clean. So I'm going to get this cleaned up, show you what it looks like clean. So I removed the fan so that I could get in here and just see this, how it's all like built up right in here. That'll start to conduct across those and short out parts, motors, and for the board. So I'm going to get this all cleaned up. Apparently I'm running out of air in this can. Okay, I got her all cleaned up and she's absolutely beautiful now. I also took off all of the covers on the back of the machine and cleaned and blew all of this clean and into the power supply. I got all of the dust and lint debris cleaned out of there. So I hope this quick little tip helps you keep your machine clean, keeps your machine running, and sewing well, so it doesn't break down on you for lint. Because the one thing we generate the most is lint, dust, debris. So don't forget to give me a like. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. If all of my tips and tricks are helping you, absolutely give me a thumbs up. Talk to you later. Have a great day.